First Ghanaian food truck here in Virginia that I've seen yet. I'm about to order some wache. Getting me some wache. Yeah, stay tuned, okay? Till my wache arrives. The last time she gave me some buffalo. It was so nice and hot. So, yeah, hope the wache tastes good too. That's the line for the wache. I'm ordering wache. She's getting me some wache. So, you know.
We're having a December to remember here at Cherry. Along with my great giveaways during a very Cherry Christmas, we're also getting some amazing people stop to by. Kerry Washington, Tyler Perry, Jim Gaffigan, Gail King, and more. So keep watching all December long. We'll be right back.
Linda Liu continues to proclaim her innocence and goes to trial. The jury finds Linda Liu guilty of double murder and sentences her to death by lethal injection.
The appeal shot straight up to the Supreme Court. We'd almost started to forget about the case, and all of a sudden, the wire drops. Supreme Court throws out Linda Liu Charbonneau's conviction, not just her death penalty sentence. They throw out the entire conviction. They say the trial wasn't fair, and they order a new trial.
Linda Liu eventually accepts a plea bargain.
She pleads guilty to second-degree murder. The maximum she could get was 20 years.
Linda Liu Charbonneau could be free as early as 2017, leaving the Charbonneau family to wonder if justice has truly been served.
To know Linda the way I did and try to put that together with what's going on, it was almost impossible to believe.
A decade on, families from all over continue to attend Bridgeville's harvest festivals each autumn, blissfully unaware of the rotten secrets this